Well, hey guys, just wanted to do a room tour at the Golden Crown Paradise, adults only resort in Puerto, Mexico. As I'm sure a lot of you guys noticed, there's not a lot of room tours, so this isn't the older part. It has been renovated in the last few years. This is ocean view. It's a nice room. It's a king room. As you can see, comes with a whole bunch of goodies there. There's the shower. It looks like some sort of pink marble. Really nice feature is the fact that there's actually two grab bars to get in and out. It can get a little slippery, so you folks that are wondering how it is to get in and out, I was able to do it successfully. They do have a little mat there that you can put down as well. They supply the soap and the shampoo if you're interested. Towels are just on the top here. Toilet's just in behind. Lots of space, nice fan in here. So as you come up to the main part here, what they've done is for air conditioning to run, they require a card. When we showed up, there was a card in there, so they obviously knew we were coming. Haven't taken it out all week. This is a king room. Quite comfortable beds, made up daily. The maid's done a tremendous job. A lot of people questioning on the internet about the televisions. Well, they're brand new. They've got lots of different hookups. The internet, if you're looking to stream, can be a little hit or miss. Depends on the type of our time of day. There's quite a bit of room to hang your clothes. Comes with a fair amount of clothes hangers. There's an iron for all you wondering. Right next door. There's the safe. Bunch of shelves underneath there. Put your clothes. Did come with an extra blanket. The air conditioner in our room works really good. Thermostat's right next to the left-hand side of the bed. We have it set at 20. The maid just left a few minutes ago, so it shows 23, but it will cool off quite nicely. Bedside tables have some storage space. Everything works quite nicely. Got a makeup area, nice big mirror, seat to get ready. The other side of the bed. Nice feature of the lamps is the fact that they've got the plug-in for your iPhone or Android or whatever you got. Side table. You can sit, have your breakfast. There's only the one chair, but it's not a big deal. You can eat it on the patio. When we showed up, there was a fruit platter, which we thought was a really nice feature. Haven't eaten any of it, but it's good. Got blackout curtains here. The patio. There is a little bit of a threshold there, so all you folks that might have some mobility challenges, just be careful, but it's worked out quite well over here. Here's our view from the patio. As you can see, more or less all the rooms here, unless you're in the new buildings, have a view. See the buffet area in the far there. Poolside bar, cabanas, pool area, everything. 2 nice seats. Well, I'm not really sure what else I can show you. It's a basic room. The service has been good. Beds are very comfortable. If you like a firm or a soft bed, somewhere in between. Mattress, protector, everything looks like it's in great shape. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed the tour. Let us know if you have any questions. We'd be happy to answer them. And take care. See you there.